how does pure goodness looks like. Being under the sun, sitting down, you know exactly what you're doing is what you want to do. And not going to be the case until you figure it out. But once you figure out this is exactly what I want to do as work and this is my life, it's so doable, you know. So I've been truly blessed to be on this path as a digital entrepreneur. I'm glad that I got it started and my jobs and my career path back in the days in 2012, 13 after graduation didn't really work out. The jobs that I always got never really worked it out the way that the jobs that I wanted. So that led to us being that frustration to us like, okay, what I'm going to do to find out my career path to make a living. And those are the days where the ways of working, the laptop lifestyle, people are like working and traveling a lot from the utilize the internet technologies were really popping up. I read the book for a work week, rework, several other books. I was reading almost a book a day, like mini books, when I was working back in Worcester, where after I studied in the automobile industry. I had so much free time, my lunch times after work, straight away those jobs finished at 5 o'clock. So I was like reading and going through like trying to find my passion. So that hunger led me towards finding out SEO, and that's what actually really took off, like, because I went in all in learning SEO, started a blog, created a website, and practiced all my writing skills on that particular website, which got me to become really good at SEO in a pretty short time. And SEO was back in the 2014. It was easier. So gave the notice, left the job, and moved to London. Started staying really tight in a box room, paying $225. And that finding out at that moment was like, it was a challenge. How can I generate it without a job, or a job that it's giving me to pay that one? So that was like the Hunger Game time, eating really cheap and figuring it out live and putting in the time and becoming the CEO, learn to rank, got the first client, ranked them on the first page of Google within less than 2 months, and they increased in the pay and going to events, creating more content, started really ranking websites and getting my ball rolling as a one-man show, found a virtual assistant who was based in India. Getting the work then, now I have an assistant, trained the assistant to do the stuff and all, found another guy in the UK who can build the websites and all. Oh, you guys probably know, customer man, so he helped with the websites, and because I didn't know how to actually on the HTML wise to put the code, so he knew that. So when I even knew how to write the on pages technical content, and I could put it on the WordPress side, but on the HTML side I didn't know HTML, so he helped me with that. He started helping out more stuff, being a part, getting the websites, then also letting him handle the ball start rolling. You know, once you get started through the frustration, and if you think like, okay, I'm going to figure this out and I'm going to really get my ball rolling, it start rolling, you know. Just like, are you willing to put the work and go get it, you know? So it was a good start. Anybody who's thinking like you want to become a digital entrepreneur or do something, but eventually break free, the wants to figure out a path that you can do it in your 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, or as long as your brain is working, your eyes are, you can use your eyes, you can do this work. So digital entrepreneurship something, that's why I advocate digital entrepreneurship for people who like to travel, who has a high dopamine drive and don't want to settle down at one place but see the world, navigate, go to places and everything. Be like a digital nomad. Digital entrepreneurship is in a path that you can take really and go a long way. And to learn that, you don't have to overcomplicate, you don't have to worry about going to a university degree. I've done even my master's level, and then that's fine to have fun, to go to uni if that's what you think like. But in the modern days, if you feel like you want to get it going fast, make the money, enjoy the while working while it's open, who knows what's going to happen with the planes and everything. Can we travel? What will happen? More blows are traveled so much, you know. On this planet, I've done pretty much everything that I wanted. I have more dreams and the goals come because I'm a person with a high dopamine drive. So I want more, I want to get more. So, you know, that's the drive that I have. For you who looking to learn the digital entrepreneurship skills, or else you came across this video because you saw this video was ranking for digital entrepreneurship, my videos are popping up on all the subjects around the topics around digital entrepreneurship, trends, and how anybody can get into this part. You can have a serious start. It's so doable. It's not that hard. pick a skill, get good at it, and then start acquiring more skills, and then you start teaching the skills to some of your assistants to get them to be in the part of your the team, and you get more work and get the ball rolling. That's how you become a real entrepreneur. Initially, anybody who start like a digital services provider, pretty much like a freelancer. That's how I took the journey. I've done these videos about how you can become a real marketer, become a freelance digital marketer, and then take the transitions to become a real entrepreneur. It happens, when you start to become good. This starts happening, and it's inevitable. So have any questions, drop the questions below. That you have a skill set or you don't have a skill set, you have an interest, you may be thinking what you want to do and things like that. If you anything you want to know, drop the questions below. I will answer. I want to help anybody who would want to become a real entrepreneur, want to live the life, travel the life, be the life. And then what happened when you start building in a business, several businesses, you get new ideas. You want to do things that might help the world better, change the world and the things, and serve humanity better. However, you got to get it started, get that mullahs rolling in, create some jobs, let them run it and do it. That's what I did with ClickDo. Even in the Seacoast, both companies can run without even my existence. However, I got the time to think and create, think about the better strategies to take businesses for the next level. So it takes time. You got to have patience. But as soon as you can get the earnings rolling and you think this is a path that you want to take, you can go a long way. So I wish you to become a real entrepreneur, digital services provider, learn the digital skills, travel the world, become a digital nomad. If any of those kind of resonates with you or what you want to do, join the tribe, the Digital Entrepreneur Tribe. I will be providing more and more videos as even relating to your questions. If you drop any questions, Ferdinand Raymond signing off. I will see you in the next video.